What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another video. And today we're down in the musical lab, and I was just making a couple beats, but I was like, maybe I should do a quick video on how I try to get my drums to be a little bit more punchier and give more attack to them. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So today I'm going to talk about parallel compression, or what we call New York style compression. Same thing, you can hear either term. Basically what that is you're compressing not the actual main signal, but you're running and compressing alongside of it. So when you add that compression alongside of it, you don't get the same crazy artifacts that compression likes to tend to do, or give things, anything that it touches, it gives that weird artifact to it. So you're not going to have as much of that, and you'll be able to get your drums to be a little bit more punchier. But if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Hey, let's get right into it. So I got a beat here that I've been just messing around with. I'm going to play a little bit of it just so you can hear exactly what we're working with. So here's the beat. Alright, so that's the beat that we're working with. But so let's get started with the New York style parallel compression. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up here and we're gonna choose another group. I got my drums on group C, and then I'm gonna choose another group down here. And I'm gonna rename this group, and I'm gonna call it Send. Or you can call it Effects, you can call it whatever you like to. So after I rename that group, then at that point, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to grab some plugins. So I'm going to grab just the stock internal compressor, and then I'm going to grab just the stock internal EQ. So those two things. That's what really gives you your New York style compression, or your parallel compression. So on the compressor, first of all, we're going to totally lower the knee all the way down. We're going to bring the attack down to about 5 milliseconds. And we're going to lower the release down to about 50 milliseconds. 50 or 60, it depends on what I'm looking for. Alright, 51, that's good. So, and then we're going to go to the EQ. On the EQ, we're just going to boost the low end decibels about 5 decibels up. And then we're going to boost the high end 3 to 5, depending on what you're doing. I'm going to go ahead and do 5 in this case. 4.8, that's good. Don't need to be specific. Alright. Then we're going to go to this first slot here, and we're going to rename this first slot. We're going to rename this to NY Comp. There we go. And then we're going to go back up to my drums. Going to go up to the drum group. We're going to hit the micro icon, output, choose auxiliary. We're going to go to destination, and we're going to route the kick drum there, as you hear. We're going to route this kick drum to the New York style compression Send. Alright, and then we're also going to do the snare drum as well. I'm going to route that to New York style compression. So this controls your level of the auxiliary. I'm going to turn it, well, I'm going to leave it down for right now. No, I'm going to go ahead and turn it up. I'm going to turn it up about halfway, and on the snare drum as well. Alright, go back over here to this mode. Alright, so I'm going to play the beat now without the parallel compression so you can hear it. with the parallel compression. Jump to my drums, and I'm going to solo out the drums. So here's the kick drum. So you can hear how you're compressing it. Same thing goes for the snare. So you find the balance that you like there. So it gives it that little bit more oomph to it. That's without the parallel compression. So you can hear the difference. And I'll bring them in again. You hear that total difference. With parallel compression, without. With, without. It just loses something in the mix. Here's the with again. There it comes. Alright guys, so I hope that was helpful to give you a little bit more punch to your drums, and a little bit more oomph, fullness to them. That's parallel compression in a nutshell, or New York style compression. If you liked the video, if it helped you out, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.